Alright, in this video we are going to be solving equations with two radicals. This is video number 1 of 2 that will have the same title. Why? Because we're doing two different types. This is the easiest type where everything on one side of the equal sign is in the radical and everything on the other side is in the radical. You could have had them both on the same side of the radical equal to 0, and then you just subtract one of them from the other side or add it, as the case may be. Depends on if it has a plus or a minus in between. All right, but what's really, really nice about this, all I got to do is just square both sides. Because to undo a square root, I square it. Okay, all it does is it cancels out the square root. So I have 2x minus 25 equals x minus 5. Well, I just solved the equation, so I'm going to subtract an x, and I'm going to add a 25. Okay, here I'm left with x, it cancels, equals 20. All right, and how do you know if it's correct? Well, plug it in. 2 times 20 is 40. 40 take away 25 is 15. So I have square root of 15 on one side. And then 20 minus 5 is 15. Square root of 15 on the other. So it checks. So that's how you can do it. You can plug it in. You can either do it mentally like I just did, or you can actually write it out. That is the way to check to see if it works. Now, when you have more than one radical, a lot of times it's going to tell you to check for extraneous solutions. That's a solution that does not work. Okay, so you just have to be careful when you have more than one radical to make sure you don't have any extraneous solutions. All right, well, have fun.